Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing an easy makeup and I decided to do a review and first impression using IL Makiage Concealer. Now this is how the packaging came. Nothing special, very simple, classic black. Now the packaging is super nice, very sleek and classic. I took their little quiz and they matched me with the shade 13.25. I'll be using the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush on my right side and the e.l.f. Beauty Blender on my left. I have a deep skin tone with yellow and golden undertones. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? On first impression, it feels lightweight on the skin, and it's not drying. And this is how it looks with the Beauty Blender. It looks very natural. I like it. I like when my concealer gave me a highlighted look. Wow, I'm impressed. It looks like my skin, but better. I'm going with a second layer. This is a multi-use concealer that hides all skin imperfections, highlights, and brightens up your under eye. I'll be using this to conceal my dark spots and discoloration. To me, the act of blending concealer is so relaxing. It doesn't fully cover my hyperpigmentation, it gives a medium to light coverage. However, they do claim that it's a buildable coverage. So here's a close-up. It looks very skin-like, which I like. And I would say this is a natural coverage. It doesn't look cakey or like you have makeup on, so it's very seamless. Now I'll be setting it with my Coty Airspun powder in the shade Translucent. This concealer doesn't have a scent. To bronze, I'm using Black Radiance Pressed Powder in the shade Rich Mahogany. Okay, so I'll also be using the same powder to contour my nose. I'm simply blending the nose contour so it's not such a harsh line. Using the excess bronzer that's on the brush on the eyelid. I'm using MILANI's Baked Powder Blush in Dulce Pink on my cheeks and upper eyelid. It has a nice highlight to it, so I don't even need a highlighter. I will also apply Airways Mineral Blush in the shade 3. Next, I'll be using the L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Eye Pencil in the shade Brown. I'll be using the Lash Paradise in the shade Blackest Black to add volume to my lashes. The product I'll be using in this set is the MILANI Makeup Mask. And it looks like I found another eye booger. My god, that's the third one! I'll be using the flat tip of the sponge to set everything in place. I honestly feel beautiful in this concealer. I feel like I'm glowing in this video. I don't know if it's the lighting, but I look so good. This concealer makes me look so good. It's just so flawless. Oh my god. My under eye circles are gone. It's amazing. This is such a simple look, but it looks so good. And my under eye circles are gone. Would definitely recommend this to a friend or anybody. Please check it out. It looks really good. This is for a everyday natural look because this is not a full coverage concealer, but it does the job. Comment down below if you have tried anything from IL MAKIAGE and did you like it? I like this concealer, so I will definitely be trying it in my upcoming videos, so please stay tuned and thank you for watching.
What the hell should I do today? This feel like some I don't give a fuck. Oh my god, shut the fuck up, I ain't hearing what you gotta say.